Hello, my name is Latricia Maddox, and here is a presentation on Jean Jacques Rousseau and the social contract. Jean Jacques Rousseau was a philosopher, writer, and also a composer of the 18th century. His political philosophy influenced the Enlightenment of the 18th century. He was born in June 1712 in Geneva, Switzerland, and died July 2nd, 1778. His mother died just a few days after he was born, and he was raised by his father. His father was a clockmaker and abandoned him at an early age. Here is a painting of Jean Jacques Rousseau. The Social Contract was originally published Principles of Political Rights, a book published in 1762 by Rousseau. This book theorized the best way to establish a political community in the face of the problems of a commercial community. And here is the book cover of the Social Contract. The contract helped inspire political reforms in Europe, especially in France. Rousseau argues more for the people's rights, and this is why he was so famous for this book. This is one of the reasons he was famous. An overview of the book. A famous quote from Rousseau was a quote directed toward slavery. It stated, "Man is born free, and everywhere in chains," stating that man is born free and should not be required to become slaves in their lifetime. Rousseau's political theory was that he rejected the idea that there should be only one ruler. He felt that people should rule together, forming a democracy government. He rejected the idea of slavery, as I've stated before, and he stated that man is born free and should not be contained in slavery in their life. Question: why was Rousseau's political theory so successful during the 18th century? I believe that Rousseau's political theory was for the people to rule and decide on new and upcoming laws, and for the people to not be confined to slavery. The reason his theory was so successful because he was thinking of the people other than the elite. Thank you.